Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dental Medical. So today I'm covering tooth numbering system. Humans have two sets of teeth in their lifetime, deciduous teeth and then permanent teeth. Deciduous teeth which are 20 in numbers and then permanent teeth which are 32 in number. Because premolars are absent in deciduous teeth and then molars are replaced by premolars in the permanent dentition. Okay. There are several numbering systems exist in the world and three main types of numbering systems are commonly used. Universal tooth numbering system, Sigmondy and Palmer tooth numbering system, FDI tooth numbering system. Palmer notation system. Palmer notation system consists of symbol designating in which quadrants the tooth is found and a number indicating the position from the midline. So we use these symbols which designated the क्वाड्रेंट कि कौन सा क्वाड्रेंट है उसके लिए हम ये सिंबल यूज़ करेंगे एंड कौन सा टूथ नंबर है उसके लिए हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स यूज़ करेंगे इन केस ऑफ डेसिडस डेंटिशन एंड नंबर्स यूज़ करेंगे इन केस ऑफ परमानेंट डेंटिशन. ओके, नाउ फॉर पाल्मर सिस्टम I draw quadrant. So this symbol is used for upper right, this symbol is used for upper left, lower left and then lower right. Now in permanent dentition we have these four quadrants and tooth number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now if I say lower left, 1 minute, upper right, upper left, lower left and then lower right. Now I say lower left central incisors. So for lower left I draw this and for central incisor I use 1. Now if I say upper right first molar, so for upper right I use this symbol for quadrant okay, and for first molar I use 6. Simple. Now in case of deciduous dentition we use alphabets. In case of deciduous dentition. Okay, now if I say lower left canine, so for lower left and for canine C, upper right first molar, so for upper right this symbol and to define tooth number I say D. If I say upper left lateral incisor, so for upper left this symbol to define quadrant and for lateral incisor B. Universal numbering system. Universal numbering system is the official tooth designation system in the USA. It includes a sequence of Arabic numbers like numbers 1 to 32 for permanent dentition and then alphabet systems A to T for deciduous teeth moving clockwise. Okay, so for permanent dentition we use numbers. So we have 4 quadrants total, 8 teeth in each quadrant. So we have 4 quadrants in total. So In permanent dentition we use number and it starts from 1 to 32. Okay, so it goes 1 to 8, 9 to 16, 17 to 24, 25 to 32, and it moves in clockwise direction. Okay, move clockwise. If we have missing third molar, because in many patients third molar is absent, so the second molar is, the number designated for second molar is 2. अगर थर्ड मोलर एब्सेंट है तो हम सेकंड मोलर के लिए 1 नंबर डिज़ाइन नहीं कर देंगे, सेकंड मोलर के लिए 2 ही है. तो हर टूथ के लिए उसका एक नंबर दिया हुआ है, हम उस नंबर को दूसरे, अगर कोई मिसिंग टूथ से, एक्सफोलिएटेड टूथ से हम उसको रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. ओके, नाउ in case of deciduous dentition we use alphabets. So in case of deciduous dentition we have 4 quadrants and total 20 teeth. So it goes like A, B, C, D, E, X, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, and same. Now in FDI system for primary teeth, the first is a 2-digit system. Okay, so in first digit indicate the quadrant 5 through 8 for deciduous, and then 1 to 5, and the second digit indicates the tooth type, that is from 1 through 5. So in deciduous dentition हमारे पास 4 quadrants हैं, जिसमें हमने quadrant को नंबर दे रहे हैं that range from 5, 6, 7, 8, and सेकेंड डिजिट जो है वो इंडिकेट करेगा टूथ टाइप की कौन सा टूथ है, विच इज़ 1 through 5. नाउ लाइक दिस, in this we have quadrant. Okay, this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if I say maxillary right canine, so for maxillary right I say 5, and for canine it's 3. Same lower left first molar, so for lower left is 7, and then the number is for first molar is 4. FDI notation for permanent teeth, same, first digit indicate the quadrant and the second digit indicate the tooth type. So for quadrant we have 1 through 4, and for tooth number we have 1 through 8. In simple form, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are for quadrant, upper right, upper left, lower left, and lower right. It moves clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 indicates the quadrant number, and 1 through 8 is for tooth number. Now I am talking about primary dentition. Okay, so for primary dentition we have 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, if I say upper left canine, so upper left and canine, so it's 6, 3. Same, upper right, upper left, lower left and lower right. If I say lower right first molar. So lower right is 8 and first molar is 4. So it's 8, 4. I hope you understand. Now, in case of permanent dentition, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. If I say upper left central incisor, so for upper left is 2 and central incisor is 1, so it's 2, 1. I say lower right second premolar, so lower right is 4 and second premolar is 5, so it's 4, 5. Simple. If you like this video, please share and hit the bell icon